Norway is making a substantial financial commitment to strengthen Ukraine's air defense capabilities, providing around 7 billion kroner in collaboration with Germany, which will supply the necessary systems. This support package includes funding for 2 Patriot missile systems, advanced radars manufactured by German company Hensoldt, and additional air defense technologies from Norway's Kongsberg. The combined effort represents one of the most significant investments in Ukraine's defensive infrastructure since the beginning of the conflict, reflecting the deepening partnership between Norway and Germany in supporting Kyiv amid ongoing Russian attacks. Prime Minister Jonas Gahr Støre of Norway emphasized the strategic importance of this cooperation, highlighting that the joint effort with Germany is intended to equip Ukraine with powerful tools to protect its population and military assets. Together with Germany, we are now ensuring that Ukraine receives powerful air defense systems. Germany and Norway are working very closely together to support Ukraine in its fight to defend the country and protect the civilian population against Russian air attacks, Støre said. This statement underscores the urgency of the initiative, particularly given the persistent threat of missile and aerial strikes on Ukrainian cities and infrastructure. The agreement between Norway and Germany builds on earlier discussions between the two nations' leaders. Earlier this summer, German Chancellor Friedrich Merz and Prime Minister Støre reached a consensus that Germany would provide 2 fully operational Patriot systems already in its possession to Ukraine. These systems, currently stationed in Germany, are slated for rapid delivery, ensuring minimal delays in enhancing Ukraine's air defense network. The United States has pledged to replace the donated systems, while Norway is contributing financially to facilitate these replacements, ensuring that the German and U.S. defense stockpiles remain unaffected. Norwegian Defense Minister Tor O. Sandvik highlighted the broader strategic significance of bolstering air defenses. He noted that protecting critical military units and infrastructure is as vital as safeguarding civilian lives. Air defense is also crucial for protecting military units and infrastructure. Now, together with Germany, we are further stepping up our efforts, Sandvik stated. He emphasized that the combined measures are not only a tactical response to immediate threats, but also a long-term investment in Ukraine's defensive capabilities, providing vital tools to enhance resilience and deter future attacks. The collaboration extends beyond the simple donation of weapons. German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius praised the ongoing partnership between Germany and Norway, describing it as an example of effective bilateral cooperation. He emphasized that the joint efforts will significantly strengthen Ukraine's air defense systems, enhancing both coverage and response capability. Building on our excellent cooperation with Norway, we are very grateful that we are collaborating on this assistance measure and will thus significantly strengthen Ukraine's air defense capabilities together, Pistorius said. Such statements highlight how this initiative is part of a broader Western strategy to support Ukraine's sovereignty and territorial integrity. The Patriot system itself is one of the most advanced air defense technologies currently available. It is designed to counter a variety of threats, particularly tactical ballistic missiles that conventional air defense cannot intercept. Equipped with long-range radar and high-speed missiles, the Patriot system can detect and neutralize incoming threats at considerable distances, providing comprehensive protection for key military and civilian targets. By equipping Ukraine with these systems, Germany and Norway aim to give Kyiv the ability to respond effectively to increasingly sophisticated aerial attacks. In addition to the Patriot systems, Germany is funding a substantial contract with Hensoldt for the TRML-4D radar. This radar significantly enhances sensor coverage and strengthens the operational efficiency of other air defense systems. Its advanced capabilities allow for improved detection of multiple airborne threats simultaneously, providing commanders with critical situational awareness. This investment in radar technology ensures that Ukraine's air defense network is not only more powerful, but also more integrated, allowing for coordinated responses across multiple systems. Norway's contribution is equally strategic. The country is supplying critical components for the Kongsberg Typhoon II system, an advanced short-range air defense solution developed from the earlier Typhoon I system. Last year, Norway donated 10 Typhoon I systems to Ukraine, and this latest contribution continues that support by providing upgrades and additional parts needed for operational readiness. By combining long-range systems like the Patriot with short-range solutions such as Typhoon, 2, Ukraine gains a layered defense approach capable of addressing threats at varying distances and speeds. The timing of this initiative is particularly significant. As the conflict with Russia continues, Ukraine faces persistent missile strikes targeting both military installations and civilian infrastructure. The provision of advanced air defense systems is therefore not merely symbolic. It is a practical step that directly enhances Ukraine's ability to defend its territory. By strengthening air defenses, Ukraine can better protect its population, maintain critical infrastructure, and sustain military operations, all of which are essential for the country's long-term stability and security. This cooperation between Norway and Germany also reflects a broader trend of Western nations deepening their military support for Ukraine. By providing both equipment and financial backing, these countries are demonstrating a commitment to ensuring that Ukraine is equipped to defend itself effectively. The integration of high-tech systems from multiple sources, US, German, and Norwegian, creates a robust and adaptable air defense network, capable of countering a wide range of threats, from ballistic missiles to aerial attacks by drones and aircraft. Furthermore, this initiative underscores the importance of international coordination in defense support. Delivering sophisticated systems like the Patriot requires careful planning, logistics, and training. The cooperation between Norway, Germany, and the United States ensures that Ukraine receives not only the hardware, but also the necessary expertise to operate and maintain these systems effectively. This level of coordination enhances the overall impact of the contribution, making it a highly strategic investment rather than a simple donation. The decision to provide advanced air defense also has a deterrent effect. By equipping Ukraine with systems capable of intercepting sophisticated threats, Norway and Germany are sending a clear message to potential aggressors that attacks will be met with capable defensive responses. This may reduce the frequency or intensity of missile strikes, indirectly protecting both civilian populations and military personnel. Such measures are critical in modern conflicts, where technological superiority can significantly influence outcomes. In conclusion, Norway's financial contribution and Germany's provision of advanced air defense systems mark a decisive step in strengthening Ukraine's defensive posture. By delivering Patriot missile systems, Hensoldt radars, and components for Kongsberg Typhoon 2 systems, the two countries are equipping Ukraine with the tools necessary to counter a wide range of aerial threats. The initiative reflects close international cooperation, a strategic focus on protecting civilians and military assets, and a commitment to supporting Ukraine in its ongoing struggle for sovereignty. With these systems in place, Ukraine will be better prepared to defend its territory, mitigate the effects of missile attacks, and maintain operational resilience against evolving threats. This combined effort represents not only a substantial military investment, but also a clear signal of enduring support from key European allies.